Hey everyone, in this full guide, I'll show you how to add transitions in DaVinci Resolve in 2026. So whether you're editing YouTube videos, cinematic projects, gaming content, reels, or travel videos, yeah, transitions can make your edits feel smoother and more professional. First, open DaVinci Resolve and load the project where you want to add transitions. Next, open the edit page because this is where most video transitions are added and managed. Before adding transitions, make sure your clips are placed correctly on the timeline in the order you want. Now open the effects library from the top left corner of the edit page. DaVinci Resolve includes many transition effects like cross-dissolve, smooth cut, zoom, blur, and motion transitions. To apply a transition, drag the effect between two clips on the timeline. And that's basically how to add transitions in DaVinci Resolve in 2026. With the right timing and transition effects, you can make your videos feel much smoother and more cinematic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.